KSB is a big company all over the globe in the pumps, valves and also systems business for energy sector, for mining sector, for the chemical industry, petrol industry everywhere. We have with the AM Center of Excellence about the general standards in AM for the production side, for critical applications, additional to all the ISO 9001 and so on we already have in our company all the time. And so also the customers come to us and say, yeah, we are in a special business. We need certificates. Yeah, we need a lot of paperwork to get also the parts with this new technology inside our applications.
We're happy to provide the paperwork, and you're the ones who are doing the heavy lifting, everything that comes behind achieving that. So congratulations again, and thank you for working with us.
Thank you also.